Hey, it's Febs. Today I'm back with another new video, and today I am going to be playing with something pink. Because the product that we're going to be playing with today is pink, I have pink onesie on, some pink lip, some pink cheeks, and also a pink eye to match that. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and join the craziness. So Biovene sent me a pink peel off mask, and this is the product that they sent me. So this product came in with this tissue paper. It came in along with a pink peel off mask in a box, so adorable, and an applicator for the peel off pink mask. It also came in with this cute hairband, and it says Biovene as well. So before I start, it says in here that it is suitable for all skin type. So 30 application, it is 100 ml. It's made with a high quality natural ingredients, including activated charcoal, strawberry extract, argan oil, and collagen. It smells so good. It smells like strawberries. So this could stimulate and nourishes dehydrated skin, provides skin restoring and moisturizing nourishment, makes skin appear smoother with a glowing complexion, deeply cleanses impurities from pollution and residual particles. Great for people who suffer from clogged pores, yes me, blackheads, yes me definitely, blemishes, so me, and oiliness. And the boosted collagen formula provides firmness to skin. Super omega fatty acids make it a protective, nourishing skin superfood. If you want to check out their website, it will be down below on my description box. So let us start applying this to our faces. I have to make sure that my skin is dry before I apply this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go like this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put a heart. Because it didn't have a dish with it, I am just squirting it on my face like that. Okay, that was not supposed to happen! Ugh. Oh my goodness, I got it all over my hair. Why do I always mess things up? There's more on my other side of my face. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's gonna so I'm just gonna spread out this peel off mask. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. This looks so delicious. It feels like slime. Oh my god, I want to eat this so badly. It smells so good. It looks like an icing on a cake. Oh my god. Into my eyebrows. That's not supposed to happen. I love how this brush actually kind of like goes into the curves of my nose. Forehead. I have more of my hair. I am so messy. Oh my god, it's like all over my hands and my hair. I have to let this peel off mask to settle. Well, approximately 30 minutes it says here, but I'm gonna wait until the whole mask dries up, and then I'm gonna peel it off. And then after that, I would rinse my face with mild water with mild water. To close the pores, I have to apply a skin tonic and complete the treatment with a moisturizing cream. I'll be back to you soon after this mask dries up. Oh my gosh, my hair is very hard. That's what she said. Hair is like all stuck together. I just had a shower as well. I'm hungry. Biovene gave me another box of peel off mask, and it is 50 ml. It's everywhere. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a giveaway. One of you could win this peel off mask. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, like this video, and also comment below, what do you do to help the environment? That's it. Just answer that question. This will last until February the 1st. Okay, so this, I can't even smile properly, oh my god. But this face mask has turned into like a complete luminous pink in person. But I am loving the color. My face feels super tight right now, like I can't even smile properly because the mask has completely dried in some areas. Some parts are still not dry yet, like you can see there. You would know part of the mask is not dry or completely set yet. If you see something lighter, so if it goes dark, luminous pink, that means it's completely dry. Let's peel it up. Where do I start? Oh, it really hurt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, it's pulling my hair. Oh, this is a strong peel off mask. Oh! Guys, can you see that it's like pulling underneath my eyes? Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, it hurts. I think it hurts because it's pulling off my own hair. Oh. This is so painful. Usually I wouldn't have any problem pulling face mask. Like, it wouldn't be this painful. Man, this one is so freaking painful. Ow. Oh, it's pulling all my hair. Ooh, this is the most painful peel off mask I've ever tried. Ow! What am I doing to myself? Ow! This face mask has pulled off some of my facial hairs. Gonna rinse off some of the pink stuff, and then I'm going to apply my toner and moisturize my face, and then I'll be back to you. I can definitely see my facial hairs in this face mask. That is why my face feels super smooth. It doesn't completely, you know, clean the pores. It did take off some of the blackheads around of my nose. It pulled that off. Some of the dead skin cells, or like the dry skin, it pulled off the dry skin as well. The scabs and stuff like that on my skin. It wouldn't be good for someone who has really sensitive skin because it might have redness on your face after pulling it off. It was so much fun using this face mask. Like, I don't mind using this peel off mask. Thank you so much, Biovene, for sending me one of your beautiful pink peel off masks. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I see you in the next one. I hope you join the giveaway if you want to win this Biovene Pink Peel Off mask. So I will have the description of the giveaway below in my description box. So make sure you read that and follow the guidelines. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. This is Febzpassion signing off. Bye bye.